ABC given A 1 comma minus 3, B 7 comma 2, C 2 comma 5. See, already we did different types of problems in finding orthocenter, circumcenter and incenter related to this in coordinate system, right? See, there we find everything using section division formulas and in particular formulas, but here we can find orthocenter, circumcenter and everything using the equations of lines. Once you think from the coordinate system to find orthocenter, first of all we need to calculate circumcenter and centroid. After calculating circumcenter and centroid, then only there is a chance to find orthocenter using Euler line. Okay, but now here, without going with the Euler line, by observing the equations of the sides, I am going to find the orthocenter, right? So first of all, look there. Yeah, see, we have a triangle ABC and vertex A is 1 comma minus 3, vertex B is 7 comma 2, vertex C is 2 comma 5. So what is orthocenter? We know that orthocenter is the point of concurrency of the altitudes, right? So for suppose if this is one altitude, okay, and this is another altitude, the point of concurrency of these altitudes is the orthocenter, H. So orthocenter is the point of concurrency of the altitudes. There exist 3 altitudes in a triangle. In particular, if we have any 2 altitudes with us, then we can easily find orthocenter. That's enough. Okay. Actually, 3 altitudes are there. 2 are enough to find the point of intersection. So, what are the 2 altitudes? So, we need to find altitude through A first and altitude through B next. Okay. So, altitude through A. How to find altitude through A? Already we did different types of problems in finding the equations. Okay. For like finding altitude through A, finding altitude through B and everything. Altitude through A. So to find altitude to the vertex A, that in the sense we are going to calculate this particular equation, right? This particular equation. You may name it as AD. Altitude through A, and I am naming it as AD for suppose. So then we need that equation. Finding that equation is just nothing but, we need a point and the slope. Already point A is there with us and that point A is 1 comma minus 3. And what to say about the slope of AD? So slope of AD is equals to minus 1 by slope of BC. Why? Because you need to think once. Here AD is the altitude of the triangle through A. See, altitude of the triangle is always perpendicular to the base, is it right? So since altitude of the triangle is perpendicular to the base, since altitude of the triangle is perpendicular to the side BC, so product of the slopes of AD and BC is 1. Slope of AD into slope of BC is minus 1, right? So slope of AD into slope of BC is minus 1. So slope of AD is equals to minus 1 by slope of BC. So and that is equals to minus 1 by what to say about slope of BC. See, I have the coordinates of B 7 comma 2, coordinates of C 2 comma 5. If you find the equation of slope of BC, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 2 divided by y2 minus y1 by x minus x1. X minus x1 means what? 2 minus 7. And if you simplify, 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 7 is what? Minus 4. So this is 3 by minus 4. And on simplification, you will get it as 4 by 3. So slope of AD is 4 by 3 and the point A is 1 comma minus 3. Then what to say about the equation of AD? Equation of AD is y minus y1. This is the point here to find the equation. Y minus y1 is, this is the point, okay? Minus of minus 3 is equals to slope 4 by 3 times of x minus 1. So if you do simplification, 3y, this is plus 3 and then plus 9 is equals to 4x minus 4. And if you send everything aside, 4x minus 3y and then minus 13 is equals to 0 is the equation of AD. Right? See, just we found here the altitude through A, which is equation of AD. And similarly, we need to find altitude through B again. Yeah, I will erase this for the space concern. If you look there, to find the equation of altitude, we need a point and the slope. Here the point is specifically A and the slope is just minus 1 by slope of BC. From there we found equation of AD. And the next task is what? Finding altitude through B. Okay, right, look there. How to find altitude through B? Yeah, see, I already told you, to find this orthocenter, we have another method from coordinate system. But here we are going to find this orthocenter using the equations, right? Equation of AD, I found it. Now altitude through B, you just name it as BE. So if it is BE, how to find? So to find the equation of BE, we need a point, and the point here in particular it is 7, 2. And then what you say about slope of BE? See, here BE is the altitude and it is perpendicular to the side AC. So minus 1 by slope of AC we need to write. Okay, and look there. See, slope of BE into slope of AC is minus 1 because they are perpendicular. So slope of BE is equals to minus 1 by slope of AC. So since it is minus 1 by slope of AC, like the next thing is what? The next thing is we need to calculate the slope of AC. Minus 1 divided by what you say about slope of AC. AC is this, okay? A is the point 1 comma minus 3. For the slope y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 3, which is 8. x2 minus x1 is 1. And on simplification, this is directly minus 1 by 8. So, at the end for this BE, I have slope is equals to minus 1 by 8 and point is 7 comma 2. For the space concern, I will erase this and I will find the equation of BE now. So how to find the equation of BE again? Y minus y1, which is the point 2, is equals to slope minus 1 by 8 times of x minus 7. And on simplification, 8y minus 16 is equals to minus x plus 7. And now if you arrange everything aside, x plus 8y, okay, I will send this side also, that side you will get it as 16 plus 7, which is 23. So what I have here, from this 4x minus 3y is equals to 13, and from there x plus 8y is equals to 23, and these two are the equations of altitude. That's what we need to memorize. So at the end I have equation of altitude AD as 4x minus 3y is equals to 13, and then equation of altitude BE as x plus 8y is equals to 23. If you solve these two altitudes, orthocenter is the point of concurrency of these two altitudes. So you need to solve these two first. So to solve these two, what we need to do, right? I will erase this for the space concern. I have equation of AD as well as equation of BE. We need to solve for orthocenter. So this is finding orthocenter using equations, right? Already we learned about the way of finding orthocenter using Euler line. But here specifically we will find orthocenter using equations, right? Not only orthocenter, with the similar procedure we can find circumcenter also using equations, where instead of finding the equations of altitudes, for circumcenter you need to find the equations of perpendicular bisectors, right? Yeah. Now here in particular we are finding orthocenter, which is the point of congruency of altitudes. So I have two altitudes, I need to solve these two. So how to solve? You just consider the first equation like that, 4x minus 3y is equals to 13, and then multiply second equation with 4, then it becomes like this, and then which is 92, I think so. And then if you do subtraction, these two will get cancelled, and this is minus 35y. And here it is what? 13 minus 92. 13 minus 92 means 10, 82, and then most probably 79, is it right? So y is equals to minus 79 by 35. Okay, somewhat irregularly I have found it. Is there any mistake? Yeah, this is the value of y at the end actually, and if you use this y in this equation, you will get the value of x also. So that x and y coordinates will represent the orthocenter. Basically this is the procedure, you just have a look at this. Okay, finding orthocenter is nothing but finding the point of congruency of the altitudes. One altitude I found, whose equation is this 4x minus 3y is 30. Other altitude is BE, whose equation is x plus 8y is equals to 23. Solve these two, you will get a point, and that point will represent the orthocenter. Here y value I have it as minus 79 by 31. Use this to find the value of x again. Okay, once. Think a while, try to do it. So y value is 79 by 35. Use that y value in any one of the altitudes equation and find the value of x, and that represents the orthocenter. Okay. See, I took points randomly, so you may get some orthocenter with fractions differently, right? The procedure is good. Okay. And the 33rd problem, the second problem of the class related to the orthocenter. Again, we have three straight lines. 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0. X plus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. Ax plus by minus 1 is equals to 0. And these three straight lines are the sides of a triangle, and whose orthocenter is the origin. Origin as orthocenter. And now we need to find the values of AB. The ordered pair A comma B we need to find. So look there. See, these are the three sides, and origin is the orthocenter, and third side we don't know, and we are going to find that. Okay? And for suppose if I have a diagram like this, yeah, right. See, you just let these equations as equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Okay? If you let those equations as 1, 2, 3, the next step is what? Let represent these sides as like this 1, 2, and 3. Right. And then origin is mentioned as the orthocenter. As we know, orthocenter is the point of concurrency of the altitudes. So for suppose we are going to find the third equation, we just take this as the what? Altitude, and somewhere on this altitude orthocenter is there. Okay. Now what is my intention? My intention is finding this side BC. You just name it as ABC. Okay. Yeah. AB is equation 1, AC is equation 2, and BC is equation 3. So equation of the third side is in terms of AX plus BY minus 1 is equals to 0, and they are asking us to find A comma B. That in the sense, using these two equations along with orthocenter as origin, if you find the third side, automatically you will get its x coefficient and y coefficient. There they represent the values of AB. So how to find the equation of third side with the given details, right? See, to find the equation of third side or equation of anything, usually we need a point and the slope. So for the side BC again, what we need? We need point and then slope. Okay, there are different methods to do again this. See, we need point and the slope of BC to find. Okay, right. So for the point, you may find any one of this B or C. To find any one of this B or C, for suppose if you are concentrating on this C is the point on the side 2, as well as if you draw the orthocenter, it is, see, altitude, right? If you draw the altitude, and this is point of intersection of this altitude through C with the side AC. Okay. Now what I am going to do is, I will find equation of altitude. You may say it as D. Okay, or you may say it as CF. I will find the equation of AD, equation of CF. Okay, how to find equation of AD? First of all, you just think about it. Okay, yeah, I am going to find equation of AD. Otherwise, if you solve 1 and 2, you will get point A and H are there. You will get slope of AH, and from there you will get slope of BC also. Okay, what are the given equations? If you look there, 1 and 2, just try to solve them. Yeah. If you try to solve them, 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0 is the first equation, and second equation, if you multiply with 2, you will get that 2x plus 4y minus 2 is equals to 0. Do subtraction. If you do subtraction, these two will get cancelled. Minus y plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1 is equals to 0, and y is equals to 1. So if y is equals to 1, replace y is equals to 1 in any one of those. Okay. For suppose if you take in 1, from 1 you will get that 2x plus 3 into 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus 1. Is it right? Yeah. So x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 1. What it is? It is the common solution, point of intersection for 1 and 2. From there it is clear that a is equals to minus 1 comma 1. Okay. So if we have A, already H is there as 0 comma 0. Slope of AH we can find, and its perpendicular slope is the slope of BC. That also we can find. Okay. So first of all, you just solve 1 and 2. You have A. And then I will erase this for the space concern again. So what is the slope of AH and what is the slope of BC? That's what we need to think. The next step is slope of AH. Slope of AH. See, A is there as minus 1 comma 1, H is origin. Okay, then 0 minus 1 by 0 minus of minus 1, and that is equals to minus 1. See, AH is perpendicular to BC. AH is the altitude and which is perpendicular to the side BC. Then slope of BC is equals to, it becomes 1, right? It becomes 1. Is it clear? See, since the lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is minus 1. Since the slope of AH is minus 1, slope of BC is 1. So for this line BC, I have slope as 1. You just keep in mind. Right. And then slope of BC already I have. So our intention is finding the third side equation for the triangle. So finding equation of BC. For that we need its a slope along with a point. Slope is 1, and then you need to find C. But C is the point of intersection of AC with the CF. So you need to find CF now. CF is what? Altitude through C. So altitude through C. So for that, what is the point? See, on this orthocenter, see, this is the line actually. On this altitude, orthocenter I have actually 0, 0. 0, 0 is a point on this altitude. Right. And what is the slope of CF? So as we know, slope of CF now is equals to the minus 1 by slope of AB. And AB is nothing but what? Equation 1 here. So what is the slope of equation 1? Minus 2 by 3. So that is equals to minus 1 by minus 2 by 3, and you get it as 3 by 2. And very clear, slope of CF is 3 by 2 and one point on the line is 0, 0. Then if you find equation of CF, you will get that y is equals to mx, because one point is origin, right? Directly you will write the equation of CF as y is equals to 3 by 2x. Okay, so now it is very clear. I have equation of CF and I have equation of AC. Then to find C, we need to solve those two. Okay, again I will erase the space concern. Actually we need to move with a plan here. Okay, our intention is finding the equation of BC. To find the equation of BC, we need a point on the line as well as its slope. And now here for the side BC, point is C and slope we found it. To find the slope, we are using the slope of AH. To find point C, we are using altitude CF as well as side AC. Now CF is y is equal to 3 by 2x. Okay. CF I found it as y is equals to 3 by 2x. Now to find C, we need to calculate the point of intersection of CF along with AC. Okay. CF and AC we need to solve. What is AC is the second line. What is the second line? X plus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. And CF is y is equal to 3 by 2x. If you rearrange it, 2y is equals to 3x. So x plus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1 by 4. Yeah, since x is equals to 1 by 4, if you replace here, you will get that y is equals to 3 by 8. And now from there you will get the point C as 1 by 4 comma 3 by 8. Still there is something to do. Okay. Now what we have? We have the point C, coordinates of C as 1 by 4 comma 3 by 8 and slope of BC as 1. So slope of BC and point C is there with me, and then now I can find the equation of BC again using slope point form. Step by step we need to solve. Okay. So once again, if you erase this, already I have the point C by solving CF and AC, and now our intention is finding equation of BC, right? And now to find the equation of BC, y minus, what is the point here? 3 by 8. Y minus 3 by 8 is equal to slope is 1. 1 into x minus 1 by 4. That's what we need to solve. How can we solve? Okay. Y, send everything that side. X minus y plus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 0. See, it is 2 by 8. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 8. So x minus y plus 1 by 8 is equals to 0. But it is of the format ax plus by minus 1. So I need here minus 1. Okay. So you just multiply everything with minus 8. Minus 8x plus 8y minus 1 is equals to 0. So at the end, your equation is minus 8x plus 8y minus 1 is equals to 0. From there it is clear that a value is minus 8 and b value is 8. Just have a look at this. Repeatedly we are using the way of finding the equation using slope point form along with way of finding altitude. Okay, just have a look at this. Once again I will explain for you if you need. Okay, just have a look. If you look there, once again I will give you a complete idea about that. Okay, see, look there. Actually there is a triangle. Okay, yeah, if you say this is the triangle and this triangle has three sides, this is side 1, this is side 2 and this is side 3. This side 3 I don't know. Okay, ax plus by minus 1 is equals to 0 is its format. Ax plus by minus 1 is equals to 0. And the question is about finding AB. Nothing but finding equation of the third side. Okay, if you name them as A, B, C, our intention is to find the equation of BC. So to find equation of BC, so our intention is finding equation of BC. For that we need a point. Okay, and that point is equals to C. And for that we need a slope, and that slope is equals to m. And that slope m is nothing but minus 1 by slope of AH. Because this AH is the orthocenter. Somewhere we have orthocenter. This AH is perpendicular to BC. So slope of BC is minus 1 by slope of AH. So already H is there as origin, but we don't know A. So to find slope of AH, find A. Okay, after having A, find AH slope and then from there slope of BC. And that's one part. Then to find the slope point C, C is the point of intersection of this AC with this altitude, right? So for that you need to find the equation of altitude through C. Already you have equation of AC and the point of intersection of these two is C. So to find the altitude through C, already we have a mechanism. By taking the point as orthocenter 0, 0 and slope of this altitude is perpendicular slope for this area. Okay, see, the problem completely involves with the finding equations, finding point of intersections. But it needs a little bit of your geometrical knowledge related to the orthocenter, altitude of the triangle. Right? Right. And at the end your answer is minus 8, 8. A value is minus 8 and B value is 8. Just we did it, right? Look at the third problem, 34th of the class. You need to do it, okay? I will explain for you. The problem is about a triangle ABC. You just think there. So this is triangle ABC. And for this triangle ABC, I have the point A. See, I don't have point A. I don't have anything, right? Equation of AB is given. So if you let this equation as 1, equation of AB I have. Altitude through A is given, right? This is the altitude through A. And altitude through B is also given. This is altitude through B. Okay, you say them as AD and BE. Okay, so this is the equation of AD and this is the equation of BE, and then our intention is to find this vertex C. Right? How can we find the vertex C? That's what you are task. Okay, you need to try it. Okay, how can we find that vertex C? First of all, if you solve AD and BE, you will get orthocenter H. So the point of intersection of these two will give us orthocenter H. That's one part. And then if you solve AB and AD, that is the sense first equation along with AD, you will get A also. The point of intersection of the first equation and AD will give us A, and the point of intersection of AD and BE will give us H also. Okay. But our intention is to find the vertex C. Right. And then, yeah, look there. There is a chance to find the altitude through C also. Okay, altitude through C. How can we find altitude through C? For that we need a point, and that point is H. You will find from there. And for that slope is nothing but minus 1 by slope of AB. Already AB, you know, use that perpendicular slope, then from there you will find the equation of CH. Okay, so this CH you have. Okay, and then already A is there, right? You just find the equation of AC also. Altitude through C is one equation. Also you can find the equation of AC. How can you find the equation of AC? Again you need a point, and for that the point is equals to A, and for that slope is equals to minus 1 by slope of BE. Just look there. See, from the given three equations, we can find two more equations, and one equation is the equation of altitude through C, another equation is the equation of AC. So solve this AC and then this altitude through C. You will get the vertex C, and that's the plan to solve the problem. Okay, you just think once. Okay, from the given three equations, first of all you need to find point A and point H. Point A is helpful to find the equation of AC. Point H is helpful in finding the equation of altitude through C. So using these two equations, again if you solve, you will get vertex C. So this is the plan. Okay, you just look there. Every time you need to use the way of finding point of intersection along with the way of finding equation.